ElevateX 2026, marking a new chapter in human-centric and intelligent automation. Bengaluru, 10th February 2026. Teradyne Robotics today hosted ElevateX 2026 in Bengaluru, its flagship industry forum bringing together universal robots, UR, and mobile industrial robots, MIR, to spotlight the next phase of human-centric, collaborative, and intelligent automation shaping India's manufacturing and intralogistics landscape. Designed as a high-impact platform for industry leadership and ecosystem engagement, ElevateX 2026 convened 25-plus CEO CXO leaders, technology experts, startups, and medias, reinforcing how Indian enterprises are progressing from isolated automation pilots to scalable, business-critical deployments. Odds. Teradyne Robotics emphasized the rapidly expanding role of flexible and intelligent automation in enabling enterprises to scale confidently and safely. With industrial collaborative robots, cobots, and autonomous mobile robots, UMRs, becoming mainstream across sectors, the company underlined its commitment to driving advanced automation, skill development, and stronger industry partner ecosystems in India. The event showcased several real-world automation applications featuring cobots and UMRs across key sectors including automotive, F&B, FMCG, education, and logistics. These demos highlighted the ability of universal robots and MIR to help organizations scale quickly, redeploy easily, and improve throughput and workforce efficiency. Showcasing high-demand applications from palletizing and welding to material transport, machine tending, and training, the demonstrations reflected how Teradyne Robotics enables faster ROI, simpler deployment, and safe automation across high-mix and high-volume operations. Speaking at the event, James Davidson, Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer, Teradyne Robotics, said, "Automation is entering a defining era, one where intelligence, flexibility, and human-centric design are no longer optional, but fundamental team."
Good morning to everyone. This is Saugan here, Business Director for Teradyne Robotics out of South Asia. Over here we have organized a platform for a press release for a lot of technology display. What you see is the latest launch of our products that you see in this room. Some of the latest product lines includes the likes of UR8L, which is the longest reach universal robots that we have. Apart from that, we have a training kit which is on display, largely focused on the education segment for them to use cobots in their classrooms and making students learn about the next generation of technology. We also see a mobile industrial robot, an AMR, which you can see carrying around heavy parts, close to about 400 to a ton capacity in payload. What you also see to my left is an AI kit, largely working closely with NVIDIA and a couple of softwares company that we can partner with, and also see what we can offer to the startup ecosystem. So that's on display over here. You have many solutions for the CNC industry, which is the automotive segment. We also have a fantastic solution on the food and beverage and pharmaceutical industry. So feel free to take a look at all of that, and we'll be happy to take you through them.
The construction thing.
Yeah, I will definitely bring in Yogesh. Yogesh is the CEO for a company called Origin. Origin largely works out of the space for solutions to the construction industry, automating tasks in that space. So which means to say painting, polishing, and sanding applications and walls for construction industry. They're focusing on using rovers and collaborative robots on top of it to solve real-world problem where it helps people solve such difficult tasks. So that's what we are here for, and we've launched a partnership with them today in this regard.
Yep. The age being low, not everyone wants to go into the manufacturing space. It's not probably managed something that is as fanciful as comparing to the wood gig economy. That's one challenge. Second is that there's also a lot of cost pressure as well. Cost pressure is not just on getting the products as the lowest cost or the cheapest price as well, but it's also productivity, it's also quality, and how do you minimize wastage, right? And last but not least, Henry Ford used to say, you can have any color as long as it's black, but that's long gone. Today, it's with a lot of personalization, with a lot of sophistication. It's a lot about high mix and low volume situation. So when you need to change over and how do you adapt to that, that's where manufacturers are facing those challenges today. So,
just to emphasize the point, Tom said that automation is key to unlocking the future of manufacturing and industrial applications. Well, the key to unlocking automation is AI. And so I'm excited to share with you some of the work we're doing today to make that happen. And we're really focused on empowering our customers, our partners, to innovate faster. That's our key goal. And we're doing this through our AI platform. And our AI platform is focused on reducing the engineering effort it takes to build and to accelerate the time to market and the production level of everything that is produced. AI today is still relatively nascent, and so we're trying to make sure that we can mature the entire industry for real industrial-grade solutions. And we're doing this, again, through our platform, and we think the power is in the platform. And so if we start, it does start at the hardware level. We are including all the things you need to deploy a solution, from the camera, which is a nice RGB camera, mounting, wiring, a industrial enclosure with modern or video-based compute. So we've taken care of everything from the commissioning on. But of course, our platform is flexible. We have good encapsulation, really wonderful SDK, so you can swap out the camera if you need something else. But it's not just about the hardware. It's about the software. And so on top of this, we are building an entire SDK that is really meant to enable our partners. At the very bottom of this is our brand new version of ElevateX, which is really setting the standard of ease of use. On top of that, we're putting all the infrastructure, the connective tissue, the libraries, and the applications so that you can quickly assemble and rapidly deploy reliable AI applications.